Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace a broken clean out after it's been damaged by a lawnmower. There are a few different variations on how to go about this task depending on the extent of the damage, but all are pretty DIY friendly. We're going to start by removing the clean out cap, and then we're going to go ahead and dig out a little bit of a space below this entire clean out. This unit has been glued onto place, so we would not be able to just pull it off. I'll be using an inside cutter wheel on my drill. These are available at my local Home Depot for about $15, and they allow you to cut the piping from the inside. If you don't have a drill, you can also use a hammer and chisel. Carefully make some slots on the outside of that cap and then chisel away. Try not to damage the pipe in the process. We're going to go around the entire circumference of the pipe, and then we'll be able to pull the piping right off of the PVC. I'm now going to take the clean out lid and temporarily place it over the piping. I need to dig out a little bit more around the pipe, and I don't want any dirt to fall in. Yes, this would have been easier had I done so ahead of time. However, I guess I was a little bit overly excited to make this video and I kind of jumped the gun on it, so we're digging it out now. There's no harm in doing so. You just need to make sure that you put a lid over the pipe, that you put tape, something to prevent dirt from falling into the line. Now we're going to take the new clean out and push it onto the piping. Many installers do not glue this connection. There's really no reason to do so. You can glue it if you'd like. However, I like to leave these unglued, as doing so makes it a lot easier to replace down the road should it ever get damaged with another lawnmower. You can pretty much go ahead and skip everything we've done up to this point if it were unglued. Once it's been pushed onto place, we're just going to take the new clean out lid and thread it on, and then you're good to go. Go ahead and backfill your work afterwards if you had to dig anything out. And congratulations, you've completed your repair.